Mr. Charles, where is Mr. Charles at? Show yourself and do not speak up. Charles, the update is Charles. The Charles update is Charlesing right now. The Charlesing update is here. You can actually get this new Charles unit by spinning for it. The Charles update. It is finally here. Where is Charles at? Not here, not here, not here, not here. Oh, the developers forgot to add Charles. My bad. They forgot to add Charles. My bad. Oopsie. Oopsie. We forgot to add Charles. The developers are not listening. They're not listening, okay? I keep telling them to release the game. They're not releasing the game. Anyways, we get the Charles code. If you redeem the Charles code, you're gonna get 3 lucky spins. Charles. What is that? What is that? Miro. Miro. Where's the update at? Charles. Charles is going to be a very bad unit. Maybe it's gonna be overpowered. Nobody actually knows. It could be a very overpowered unit. You already know. Last time we got a bad unit, it was very overpowered. This time it could be the same thing. Mr. Charles. So, Charolo. Sneak peeks. Sneak peeks. Oh, there's a trailer. Charles trailer. Do you want to watch the Charles trailer? I can show you the Charles trailer. We can watch the Charles trailer right now. Let me first analyze. Analyze. Once it's analyzed, you can go over and redeem code SAEX Shindao. Because this code is gonna give you 10 lucky spins, and who doesn't want to get 10 lucky spins? Of course, it's Ronaldo. Ronaldo doesn't need 10 lucky spins because Ronaldo is Ronaldo. And if you're not Ronaldo, you cannot get what you want. Ronaldo. There is a cool picture. I'm gonna show you the cool picture. Blulotsk. Blulotsk. Charles. I'll be honest, I don't think a lot of people are very interested in this update. The next update will be crazy, probably a king rework. Where's the king rework? Or Nagi. Where's Nagi update? I mean Nagi, we already had Nagi. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Wait, is there a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction Charles. Which number is he? Number 7. Oh no, they updated the thingamajig. Now I can't see anything anymore.